Looking to start your student journey in the heart of London? Welcome to Chapter Islington, where student dreams take flight. This beautiful apartment offers a private living experience like no other, with a range of accommodation options including ensuites and studios tailored to your needs. But the excitement doesn't end there. Step out of your room and explore a world of amenities designed to elevate your lifestyle. Stay connected with high-speed Wi-Fi, unwind in the games or simmer room, create in the art studio, or enjoy karaoke sessions with friends. Stay active in the on-site gym and take advantage of dedicated study spaces to stay focused. Plus, with a 24/7 security team, you're always safe and secure. Located just a short distance from London Metropolitan University and the Royal Veterinary College, you'll never be late for class. When it's time to relax, treat yourself to delicious pastries at Vihan's Bake Hut or grab a coffee at the Breakout. Need to get around? Just hop on the bus at the nearby Caledonian Road or Market Road Gardens. Join amberstudent.com today and make Chapter Islington your home, where adventure awaits.